I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is adding some mixed numerals. So I have 5 3/4 and then 8 and 5/6. I'm going to add those together. So pause the video and see if you can try to do this one on your own. Okay. So hopefully you tried it. So whenever you're doing a mixed number and you're adding them, what you have to do first is add the fractions together. And what that means is you have to find the LCD. So let's first find the LCD. And what we can do is this little trick. So I have 4 and 6. So just ask yourself, okay, what do they have in common? 2, and that's their GCF, and that goes in the middle. And then on the side right here, just whatever the other factor, 4. So what times 2 will give me 4? 2. And then do the same thing with the 6. What times 2 will give me 6? 3. And then multiply all those together. So 2 times 2 times 3 is 12, and that's my LCD. So what I have to do next is use equivalent fractions. So with the 3/4, I want to get the denominator to be 12. So I can multiply the denominator by any number I want except for 0, and whatever I do top, I have to do the bottom. So I want it to be 12, so what times 4 will give me 12? Yep, 3. So you multiply the top and the bottom by 3. So when you do that, you get 9/12. Do the same thing with the 6. What times 6 will give me 12? 2. So you multiply the top and the bottom by 2. And I get 10/12. Another way to do it, if you did with these circles, what you can do is look at the factors of 6, cover them up, whatever the leftover number is, that's what you're multiplying the top and the bottom by. Same thing with the 4, you would cover the factors of 4, and that would be 4 times 3, and so you'd multiply the top and the bottom by 3. Something that you can do. Alright, so your next step would be to add the fractions together. So 9 plus 10 gives you 19. And then add the numbers together and you get 13. Now something looks like a little weird. That's because with this mixed number in particular, your answer, you got 19/12, which is an improper fraction. You have to take that and convert it into a regular fraction, but you know, it's not that bad. So what you do is you take a whole out of the 19/12. So what you would do, you subtract the top by 12 because that makes it 1, and the remainder is 7. So that becomes a 7, and then you're adding 1 whole to the 13. So your final answer is 14 and 7/12. And that's it.